Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create engaging Instagram polls and questions. First, open your Instagram application on your phone or tablet. Next, tap on the plus icon. Now take a picture using your device's camera or choose one from your gallery. After capturing or selecting your picture, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Look for the question sticker and tap on it. Here you can ask engaging questions to your followers like, was your business better in 2023 or 2024? Before posting, make sure your polls are engaging for your followers. Let us add a poll to your post. Tap on the poll sticker. For example, ask, was your business better in 2023 versus 2024? And provide two options of the both years. Once you have added both the questions and the poll goes ahead, go post in your story as you normally would. That's it. You've created engaging Instagram polls and questions to interact with your followers. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.